Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to change the materials in iClone 7.9. Actually, in iClone 7.9, there are really a lot of different materials where you can just drag and drop and apply in any 3D models in iClone 7. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, you can see this is my iClone 7.9. Here I have some props. For example, this is a piece of wood, and this is a cat prop, and you can see some of the 3D block 3D shapes here. So to find the material list, you have to choose from here. Click this, the media, then under the material or material plus is okay. Right, now I choose material. You can see it come into this folder. Right click, find file. It will open by using the Explorer. See, right click, find file. Right, all the materials are here. You can see different materials here where you can apply in any of the models. For example, this is wood. I can just drag in. Let's say I drag and drop it here. It changed the texture already. For example, the window. If I drag it here, it changed the material immediately. Right. We can just browse it to see what types of the materials that we have. For example, this one, I drag in and drop it here. It will apply the new materials immediately. Right, let's have a look. If you scroll up, you search all these folders one by one. For example, the terrain of the world. Here you can find some of the materials as well. I'm going to drag and drop and apply it here, for example. Alright, this one, the materials the tile is too small, but not every cube will be like this. So now just have a check again. For example, the nature terrain generator, for every of the single pack that you purchase from Reallusion content store or Reallusion marketplace, it will have some of the materials that live inside that folder. If you drag and drop, you can apply in any of the props anytime. See. Right, now you can see it even included the 3D effects with the bump and also the displacement map. The substance here also a lot. You can apply on any of the, let's say this one. I drag and apply. Now, it changed the material immediately. Alright, that's all for today about how to change the materials anytime in your iClone 7.9, and that is really easy. Just drag and drop from the material folder. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.